as well as Soumya.
Yeah,
I
Akshita,
missed
actually,
that
she
one.
was asking that how I can make the vision board and like what is the difference between need and greed. So I was explaining her because she wants to attract or manifest few things. Okay, so that's why I was
Oh,
letting her know that what is the difference between need and greed. Okay, so it should be
yes.
very clear. So what do you want to ask from the universe? If it is coming from the greed, so universe is not going to give you. So what is greed?
Greed
If
means
somebody
greeting.
has, if somebody has, so that's why you want that particular thing. So that is your greed. But if it is your requirement, okay, so that is your
Mm-hmm.
need. If
Yes.
you want 5 BHK, 4 BHK, if it is coming for your requirement, if you want it for your family, if you want to live a luxury life, if you want to have your personal, setup and personal room for your father, for your mother, for your husband, for kids, for your parents, you want 4 BHK or 5 BHK, that is your requirement. So that should be clear in your mind. But if it is coming from your, because somebody has, so that is your greed कि उसके पास भी है, उसके पास भी है, उसके उसके पास BMW है, उसके पास मर्सिडीज है, तो तभी मेरे पास होना चाहिए, that is your greed. Okay, so I
And
was
ma'am,
making it
one
clear.
thing,
Yeah, why you
our
people are with
intention.
cameras off? Ishita, Ashwini, Sucharita, Kulvinder, Rakshita. Wonderful evening to each and every one of you. Welcome to day number 11. A magical morning. Yes.
Wonderful evening, ma'am.
Yeah, wonderful evening. Yes, any further question? Any further question, any doubt, anything you want to ask? Okay, so if you want to attract something big, if you want to manifest something, don't put a deadline. Leave it on the universe. Okay. And like small, small things, like you can put the deadline 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, right? Okay, so no question. No question. Great. Okay, guys. So first, I'll be taking some of your shares. Okay, so some of your shares. Are you guys ready to share how has been your journey so far? Because it's been 13 days now. So we started on 9th of July, right? So we started on 9th July. So I'll be asking one by one, how has been your journey with me in last 13 years? Are you guys enjoying and what like? So are you guys ready to share? Everybody will be getting 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So, which chapter did you like the most? Which practices did you like the most? Okay, so what is that one practice you would like to, do throughout your life? Okay, so these are some questions I'll be asking, and you have to let me know that how has been your journey so far. Yes, Kurvinder, can I start with you? Because you are the only person with the camera on. Okay, so then we'll be starting the session. Okay, so I'm
Okay,
putting you
ma'am.
on the
Sure.
spotlight. Yes, Kulvinder. Hello, dear. A very good
Yes, ma'am.
evening to
Thank
you.
you.
Yes,
Wonderful evening,
Kulvinder.
ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am, for
Yeah.
making these sessions really amazing. I think you are the only one who is giving us the energy, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
Uh,
Thank you so much. So, how has
Many
been
of
your
the
journey so far? So, we started on 9th July. So, it's been 13 years. So, are you enjoying the session? What is the thing that you would like to, practice from this book? So, right
Mhm,
now we are done with 10 chapters. So, which is that one practice
mhm,
you would like to do throughout your life?
mhm.
Yes.
Definitely, ma'am. The practice which is, making me actually aware about my health.
Hmm.
uh, Most of the time we don't actually realize that we really have a big power in our hand. Our body is healthy. Till the time our body is healthy, we don't even realize, we don't ever feel anything. So once
Yes.
we actually, ma'am, start feeling that yes, there is a power, the reason I am, holding anything, I am, able to walk. I am able to move my body in any, way. I just because I am healthy today, right?
Yes.
So when we actually get our health disturbed, at that time we realize, oh my God, when I will get healthy again. So that was
Yes.
really amazing.
Absolutely.
Whenever I feel lazy, I start feeling myself that yes, I am healthy. So that's the reason I am getting the, laziness as well. So I have to be very thankful, grateful to God that my health is, right. I am perfectly well. So thank you so much, ma'am. That was really an amazing activity. And whenever I feel every day in the morning, I feel that, there is a power inside me. If
Wow, that's
I
really
start taking it in a positive way, that it
Mhm.
actually give me a spark, right?
Wow.
Which, through which I am able to do my, every house chore with a greater energy. Whatever I need to do, I do it with a greater energy. Other than that, I have
Right.
enjoyed, the gratitude for the food, for the drinks we have. Nowadays, everything that I intake, I first feel the gratitude for that, as well as I actually feel the taste of that food, the drink, even the water as well. Nowadays, I am feeling it is really very tasty because
Wow,
it is
that's great.
actually getting merged into my taste buds. So I
Mhm.
think we have to actually, we are the human beings. Many a times you say that we are the beings, but we are
Yeah.
behaving like we are the human doing.
Yes, absolutely,
So
absolutely.
really amazing, ma'am. In this way, we are actually enjoying, we are living our life because most of the time we just, we are so, uh, what we say, we don't even realize what we are doing. We are so usual to do everything, everything. We are so mechanical.
Yeah.
So through
And
these
Kulvinder, if you have
sessions,
to tell me in brief, like how has been your journey in one sentence? So what would you like to say? Yes. So let's say you have
self-realization.
to recommend this course to somebody. Okay. So what would you like to say to them? So how has been your journey?
It was about self-realization. We
Okay.
get to know about ourselves more.
Hmm.
Gratitude is all about whatever we have, right? Whatever we have, first we have to thank for those things. I
Yes.
don't
We
know.
have
I
to
will be
start
getting
the
more.
day with
Hmm.
the
I
gratitude.
don't know.
Yes.
I will be getting more, and I am not sure about that, but still, I know that I have to be grateful whatever I have till now. I'm
Hmm.
really very grateful for that, ma'am. And you are only the person who has made me to realize that I
Thank
have
you, dear. Thank you so
enough.
much
I
for
have.
saying that. And it really, really, really means a lot to me. Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
Lots of love and power to you. And
And even
everyone,
before
please type in
joining
the chat.
this,
More
and before
power to you,
joining
Kulvinder. Yeah, sorry, sorry. Yeah, please carry on.
Even before joining this session, I was following you. I was,
Hmm.
watching your status. And once you have, said about that, fill your own cup, then you
Yes.
will be able to give others. That is,
Wow.
somehow
So
touched
you
my soul.
remember.
So yes, ma'am, yes. So I try to fill my own cup, okay, with the energy,
Yes.
with the love, so that I can offer to someone else. Thank you so
Yeah,
much, ma'am. You are
thank you, dear.
actually
Thank you for saying
inspiring
that.
others.
And thank you,
Thank you.
Soumya, dear, for writing more power to you, Kulvinder, in the chat. Right,
Thank you. Thank you
everybody?
so
And
much.
PTY, Kulvinder. Yes, come on, everyone. And
Thank
lots of
you.
love for Kulvinder.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much for sharing.
Thank you.
Okay, so now I would go to Soumya. Yes, Soumya, dear. So, how has been your journey with me? So, it's been 13 days now, and we have been practicing gratitude. So, what is the change that you have seen in these 13 days? What would you like to say?
Uh, at the start, I wasn't aware that you can be thankful for so many things, for so many people from childhood as well. I was like, ठीक है, I am thankful for what is happening to me now. ठीक है, they gave me food, I am thankful. Okay, they brought me delivery, I am thankful. But I never thought that I can be thankful for so many things, for bed we have, for the sofa, for Almira, everything. So I was never aware कि we can be thankful for so many things. And from the start, also, I was hesitant to believe that it is possible that magic can happen. But I tried myself and it worked. So it was really, really great for me. कि, okay, magic can happen. You can imagine things, because from the start only I am like, nahi, I have to test it. How can it be possible? I have to test it. How can this be possible? How can that be possible? But
Hmm.
it was possible. So yeah, magic is real for me, and it worked for
Wow.
me. So I'll be doing many more things with this
And yeah,
magic and
once
this
you
power.
shared with us in one of the sessions that you have manifested one of the trips. So what was that experience? So how did you manifest that
It
trip?
was,
So would you like to share?
yeah, from the start, I wanted to have my birthday to be blast this year. So
Hmm.
I was thinking that, yeah, I have to go to Imagica as it is the India's largest theme park. I have to go there. I have to visit. I have to make my birthday a wonderful birthday. So I wanted to go there with my friend. So I wrote it. When you said that you have to write it, you have to feel it, you have to imagine it, that you are there, you are so happy. I started doing that every day. And
Okay.
the one lesson of Magic Rock, it helped me a lot. That using Magic Rock every night, I was visualizing that, okay, I am in a Magica, I am doing so much fun, I am on rides.
Wow.
So that thing came true. And it was like कि कुछ प्लान नहीं था, अचानक से एवरीथिंग साथ में आ गया और हमारा प्लान बन गया, और उस दिन बारिश भी नहीं हुई और हम लोग जाके मजे करके आ गए. इट वाज रियली रियली ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस, एंड from that day onwards I'm being more and more grateful for everything that I have. So yeah, ma'am, it was a very magical experience for me, because I never expected this could be possible.
Wow, superb, superb for such a wonderful sharing, for a wonderful sharing, Soumya. So more power to you, Soumya. Right, everyone in the chat. Thank you for sharing, dear. Thank you for
And
sharing
ma'am,
and giving
as
you lots of love in the chat. Yes.
it also helped me to improve myself, because I am a person who is not able to speak a lot with
Yeah.
others. I'm not
Okay.
good at socializing, but I wanted to do
Hmm.
this. So, yeah, it helped me for that also. So, thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Wow,
Thank you, everyone,
superb.
for
Awesome,
listening.
awesome. Good to hear that. Thank you so much for sharing, Soumya. Lots of love and power. More power to you, Soumya. And thank you for the people who are writing. Yes, guys. So what you appreciate appreciates in your life. So you have to appreciate people. Start appreciating. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, Soumya dear. So now I would like to go to Ishita. Yes,
Okay,
Ishita dear.
I'll speak.
Wonderful evening, dear. So yeah,
मैं
how has been your
thank
journey?
ओके मैं हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि
Yeah, it's okay.
ना
Perfectly fine.
इस आई
Hindi, English, mix English. Yes, please go
ओके
ahead.
पहले मैं कुछ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ वो कल का एक्सपीरियंस है ओके
Okay,
सो मैं
wow.
कल मेरी माँ के हाउस में गई थी सो मैं ये पढ़ा है कि आपके बारे में कुछ मैं अपने भाई को भी बता रही थी कि मनी प्रैक्टिस भी होती है इस तरह की कुछ सो चलो वो उसने बोला कि चलो लिखना शुरू करते हैं फिर ठीक है लिखो ही जस्ट रोट 5 पॉइंट्स अबाउट मनी ऐसे लिखो ऐसे लिखो तो आफ्टर 10 पॉइंट्स वो अपना कॉपी रख दिया एंड देन ही कॉल समवन कि ऐसे ही कॉल किया एक भैया को तो उसने फोन किया कि भैया मैं ठीक हूँ आप थैंक यू ऐसा ऐसा कुछ हो गया उसके 10 मिनट बाद उसके वो जो भैया को उसने फोन किया था वो 50,000 रुपए उसके अकाउंट में डेबिटेड कर दिया क्योंकि मेरे भाई उससे 50,000 रुपीज उसको मतलब बाकी था वो उधार था वो मिल
Hmm.
नहीं रहा था बहुत दिन से मेरे भैया को सो
Okay, so it was
वो
stuck money. Stuck money also came back. He
यस
manifested that
एंड
stuck money.
आफ्टर 15 मिनट ही केम इन्फॉर्मेशन कि ये तो काम कर गया 15 मिनट में काम कर गया तो
Oh,
ही इज
wow,
वेरी सरप्राइज
superb,
एंड
superb. Very nice. Good
मैं
to
भी
hear
बहुत
that.
सरप्राइज हुई कि यार मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन की ये सच में वर्क कर गया मैं भी सरप्राइज हुई एंड 50,000 रुपए मिलना इन विद इन 15 मिनट्स इट वाज वेरी सरप्राइजिंग सो
Wow, thank you,
थैंक यू
universe.
फॉर द
Thank you,
क्लासेस
God.
एंड वो भी बोल रहा था कि उसका शिफ्टिंग ड्यूटी चल रहा था तो वो भी मैं भी ज्वाइन करना चाहता था पर शिफ्टिंग ड्यूटी के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है ऐसा कुछ तो ऐसा यही बोलना चाहती हूँ थैंक यू फॉर द क्लासेस क्योंकि हाँ और भी एक वो है दिसंबर में मैं लास्ट क्लासेस करी हुई थी आपके साथ इन दिसंबर आई यू टोल्ड मी कि मनी लव्स फ्लो So money don't to want to कि वो एक ही जगह रहना पसंद नहीं करती, तो
Yeah, doesn't want to be
इनको
caged. The money
yes,
doesn't want to
yes.
be caged.
So that time I told you na कि I bought some gold and the silver that
Hmm.
time, हाँ.
Hmm.
आफ्टर दिसंबर और कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, अब अभी तक कुछ मैजिक नहीं हुआ, तो अब मैं उस दिन सोच रही थी कि उसी मंथ में क्यों होना था और इसके बाद
Hmm.
क्यों नहीं हुआ. So that was also surprising for me. Thank you for the classes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, and then happened with 50,000 rupees that you got. And
हाँ,
that was
वो तो
magical.
15 मिनट्स
So
में हो
again,
गया,
you
कैसे
started,
हो
again
गया
magic
पता है मुझे.
happened, right?
Yes.
And this time it happened with your brother. And that is also
इन
magical. They have
15 मिनट्स आई
created.
कैन बिलीव कि वो लिखा 5 मिनट्स में उसने कॉल किया और 5 मिनट्स में 50,000 रुपीज वापस आ गया, जो स्टक था कि आ नहीं रहा था बहुत दिन से.
Wow, superb, superb, superb. Can we give her a lots of love and more power to you, Ishita, for
थैंक यू सो
creating
मच.
such wonderful magic. Wow, superb. Thank you, Ishita dear. Thank you for sharing. And you were not there in yesterday's session. I also got my money. So I was sharing in one of my purses. I found 3,500 rupees. And I was so thankful that time. And my husband said, okay, तुम्हारा ठीक है, खुद ही रखो, खुद रख के भूल जाओ, और जब मिल जाए तो बोलो वाह, यूनिवर्स ने दिया, गॉड जी ने दिया.
थैंक यू कुलविंदर, थैंक यू
So
सो
wow,
मच.
thank you dear, thank you so much, lots of love and power to you. Okay guys, so rest of the sharings I'll be taking later, okay, some other day, because people with cameras off, so I cannot take, right? Okay, and we have to start the session as well. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much, Soumya, Kulvinder, and Ishita, for such wonderful shares. Thank you so much. Okay, so are you guys ready to raise the energy of the room so that we can start the session? So here we go. Yes, come on, everyone. Those who can get up, they can get up. And here we go. I hope you are getting the sound. Sound checking, sound checking. Yes. Okay, guys. So today we'll be talking about a beautiful topic, a magical morning. So how we can make our mornings beautiful. So how can we start the day? Because the day we start our morning, it sets the tone of the whole day. Okay, the
Okay.
way we start the day, it sets the whole day tone. Okay, so how we have to start the day. So this chapter will be teaching us. But before we begin, let me give you the perspective of today's session. See, guys, so whatever we have been doing the whole day, okay, so till now also whatever we have done, or the whole day, whatever we do, all those things, whether we are cooking, dishes, washing, whatever we are doing, all those things are zero, zero, zeros. जैसे हमने खाना कुक किया, एक जीरो. डिशेस किया, व्हेन वी आर डूइंग द डिशेस, एक और जीरो. एंड व्हेन वी आर वॉशिंग द क्लोथ्स, एक और जीरो. So all those things are zero, 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 zero. Do we have any value of all those zero? जितने भी zeros हो जाए, चाहे वो 5 हो, चाहे वो 10 हो, चाहे वो 20s हो, do we have any value of all those zero? Whether we have 5 zeros or we have 50 zeros, the value would be zero only, same. But if we put 1 in front of all the zeros, okay, so it will become 10, it will become 100, it will become 1000, it will become 10,000. So whatever we are doing the whole day, it has no value if we don't put that 1. And what is that 1? You all know, that is gratitude. If we are not grateful, so how we have to start the day? So first we have to put that 1. After that, whatever zero you put, so it will become valuable. All your works, whatever you are doing, all those works will become valuable. But if you don't put that 1, when you get up, when you wake up in the morning, and if you don't put that 1 of gratitude, all the things will be of no value. Whatever, kitne marji zeros laga lo, all those zeros are zeros only. So are you with me? Okay, so first what we have to do, the moment we get up in the morning, before getting down from your bed, So you have to do the gratitude. And how we have to do the gratitude, how we have to start, and what we have to speak, what are the statement, everything today's chapter will be letting us know. Because the way we start the day, the way we do anything, the way we do everything, right? So this is very important to start the day with gratitude, because it will set the tone of your whole day. Okay, otherwise all your things will be zeros only, right? So let me share. So we will start a beautiful session, a magical morning. So how we can make our mornings magical, right? So let me share the screen. So here we go. Yes. So this is a beautiful chapter. Although all the chapters are very beautiful and very different, each and every chapter is very unique. See, although we are talking about gratitude only, but the way, like, every chapter is completely different. Every chapter is completely a new chapter, a unique chapter. Okay. Every day we are learning some new ways to be grateful, new ways to be grateful. So it seems to be very simple. यार gratitude ही तो करना है, thank you ही तो बोलना है. No, it has a lot of depth कि उसको literally करना कैसे है उसको. What is the right way? How we have to do? When we have to do? What exactly we have to say? What exactly we have to write? And how we have to do it for money? How we have to do it for health? How we have to do it for different things. Right? So welcome to day number 11, a magic morning. So what do you see on the screen? What do you see on the screen? Anybody can unmute and you can speak out.
A window.
Let
The
me
magic comes through the
Yes.
window.
see. What do you see on the screen?
The magic comes through the window.
Okay, magic is coming from the window. Okay, what else?
Bathing tub.
Or one
Yes.
almeida, like
Bathtub is there. Bathtub is there.
yes.
Right?
Mhm.
Bathtub is there. This whole vanity is there. Some towels are there. Taps are there. And shampoo, moisturizer, everything. A mirror is
Mhm.
there. Window glass is there. One window is open. Some magic is happening on that bathtub. Not only bathtub, the whole, like everything, whatever is there in that bathroom or washroom, some magic is happening.
Yeah.
So we will also be creating the magic into our life. So how do we start the day? So we go to the washroom, right? So
Just like
this is how we start.
we clean our body, so we have to clean our mind as well.
Yes, wow,
In
a
that way,
different
we have to
perspective.
start
या एवरीबडी
our day.
whatever रोशनी जितनी जिसके अंदर जितनी रोशनी होगी ना, जिसके अंदर जितनी लाइट होगी, that person will give that perspective of that picture, right? So see, so we will also be creating the magic in our morning, because we go to washroom when we get up in the morning, right? So when you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, and to love. When we get up in the morning, so what a privilege. We are so blessed that we are alive. We can think, we can enjoy, we can love to our loved ones. So we people are so blessed. It's a privilege for us. And there are many people. Can you imagine? Nowadays, sudden deaths are happening. And there are people, they sleep and they don't get up in the morning. You never know like what happened to that person. We can't even imagine ki what would have happened to that person. That person died. You must have seen some Insta reel and like वो शादी में dance करते करते that person stumbled and he died. Right? So you must have seen. And we people are so blessed. Every day we are waking up in the morning. We are alive. So the moment we get up, the moment we wake up, so we have to be grateful. For what? That we are alive, that we are awake, we are with our family, we are with our loved ones. We didn't die. The easiest and simplest way to ensure that your day ahead will be filled with magic is to fill your morning with gratitude. When you incorporate gratitude into your morning routine, you will feel and see its magical benefit throughout the whole day. You will see the magic happening. You will see magical benefit throughout your day. Because if you start your day, if you put that one in the morning, so later on, whatever you are putting, all the things will become so much valuable. one after another, one after another, one after another. Like everything will be magical. Everything will be magical. So putting one is very important in the morning. Each morning is full of opportunities to give thanks, and it doesn't slow you down or take any extra time because you can do it naturally as you go about everything you do. This is an added bonus to filling your morning with gratitude because your daily routines are the times when you can harm yourself the most by thinking negative thoughts. And this is the time you can harm yourself the most because if you start your day with negative thought, so you will start attracting negativity around you, negative people, negative things, negative situation, and the whole day you will feel irritated, you will feel frustrated. Why it is happening to me? Why it is happening to me? Why it is, without even realizing, because you started your day with that negative thought. So always start your day with positivity, with gratitude. Otherwise, you will be harming yourself without even realizing. Right? So the thinking negative thought without realizing you are doing it. There is no room for harmful negative thoughts when your mind is focused on looking for things to be grateful for. If your focus is on gratitude, if your focus is on being grateful, so there will be no negative thoughts. After this practice, you will go into your day feeling much happier and more confident that the day ahead will be great. And that's when you will see magic happening before your very eyes. You will see magic happening into your eyes, into your life, before your very eyes. आपकी आंखों के सामने ही you will see magic happening. You will see how the magic unfolds in front of your eyes, one after another. Everything, you will attract positive people, you will attract opportunities, you will attract possibilities, and you will be amazed, oh, from where all these things are coming, how it is happening with you. So always start your day. So this is how do also how do I start my day. So I started it 2 years back when I got to know about this magic one and I started practicing. So from that particular day, it's been 2 years now. Daily, whenever I wake up in the morning, I don't get down from my bed. I just sit there, I close my eyes, I put my hand on my heart, and I always say, thank you, God, thank you, universe, that I'm awake. Thank you, God, thank you, universe, that I'm alive. Thank you, God, thank you, universe, for the Mother Earth. Thank you, God, thank you, universe, for my loved one sleeping beside me, for my Jannat, like everything. So, this is how I start my day. 10 to 15 gratitude. It will take only 5 minutes, just 10 to 15 statements, or 5 to 10 statements initially. Once you will be habituated, but you start doing it, and you will see magic happening into your life. Many magic will happen. You will see how the magic unfolds in the area of health, in the area of relation, in the area of career, in the area of every areas of your life will become magical. Everything will be sorted, everything will fall in place, and you will start loving your life. You will become confident. There will be no fear, no doubt. You will have that clarity. You will get to know what I have to do next. Gratitude has that much power. It's very powerful. It will give you the clarity. So when you wake up to the new day today, before you move, before you do a single thing, say the magic words, thank you. Say thank you for the fact that you are alive. You didn't die. And that's, you have been given another day of life. Your life is a gift. Every day is a gift. And when you really think about it, it's unconceivable that any of us would wake up in the morning without giving thanks for another day. It's vital. It's vital that you have to be grateful. There is no other option. If you really want to see magic happening into your life, there is no other option. If you think a new day isn't such a big deal, if you're thinking in that way, what a big deal, सब उठते हैं, मैं भी तो उठ गई, क्या हो गया, तो we start taking it for granted, right? So क्या हो गया, सब लोग उठते हैं, आज तक भी तो उठी रही हूँ ना, 40 साल हो गए, आगे भी उठती रहूंगी. So no, एक दिन मत उठ के देखो. You will get
मैम
to know.
एक्चुअली वो फीलिंग नहीं आती है. इट्स जस्ट
Yeah,
लाइक क्या रोज उठते ही हैं.
हाँ रोज उठते ही है, so that's why for granted ले रहे हैं ना. Imagine about, think of one person that you must have seen. One person. Imagine, think of only one person. जिसको आपने देखा हो या सुना हो कि that person didn't wake up in the morning. He died at night. Something happened. वो हार्ट अटैक से हो गया. Something happened. You know, recently, अभी Saturday I went to my brother's place. तो उसकी जो वाइफ है, यानी कि मेरी भाभी, उसकी सिस्टर की मदर इन लॉ की डेथ हो गई. सो आई वेंट देयर. सो हाउ डिड शी डाई? She just went for taking the bath, and in the washroom only she died. In the washroom only she died. Like I was like, yeah, अचानक से, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं था. एंड आई वेंट देयर एंड द पीपल सेड ओके, तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था. अचानक से मम्मा गई, बिकॉज जो भाभी की जो सिस्टर है, उनके जो हस्बैंड है, उन्होंने बताया कि बस मम्मा गए उधर वॉशरूम में और वो उनकी डेथ हो गई. लाइक सडन डेथ, ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. कैन यू इमेजिन कि एकदम से कैसे, मतलब किसी का वो सडन डेथ हुआ और वो किसी ने अपना कोई लव्ड वन किसी का चला गया अचानक से. अभी तो उनकी तो एज थी 65-70 नियर अबाउट. बट nowadays तो देर इज नो एज. देर इज नो एज. 25-27,
स्टिल
इतनी यंग एज में
समवन.
लोगों को हार्ट अटैक. सो गाइस, डोंट टेक योर relationships for granted. Love them, because this is who we are. This is who we are. This is who we are becoming. This is who what we are learning. That who we are when nobody is there with you. So be grateful. Start being grateful for small, small things. उनको इतना प्यार दो, इतना प्यार दो, बच्चों को भी, हस्बैंड को भी, पेरेंट्स को भी, इन लॉज को भी, रिलेटिव्स को भी, सबको भी. जिसके साथ भी रिश्ते बिगड़े हुए हैं, जिसके साथ भी कुछ आपका वो चल रहा है, तो कॉल देम, लव देम, गिव देम लॉट्स ऑफ लव, गिव देम लॉट्स ऑफ हग्स. I never used to say my kids, I love you, I love you. But when I started doing all these practices, so I daily whenever I call my son, अभी तो like he's in Patiala था, अभी तो वो है अभी 2-4 दिन के लिए, so he'll be going on 25, अभी 3 days he'll be with me. So daily whenever I call him, so I always say love you beta, love you beta, I love you beta. And he also says, he also didn't used to say us. When I started saying, so he also started saying, Mama, I love you. Papa, I love you. Because whatever you want to teach your kids to be, so first you have to start being. You have to be that, because they will observe, they will absorb from you. So whatever you want them to be, so first you have to be that. You have to be their role model. So they will start following you. Right? Start doing these small practices, and they will also love you a lot. वो पूरे घर का जो एटमॉस्फेयर है ना, completely it will change. Start quality time with them and find out the ways कि कैसे, like you can make them laugh. When I got that 3,500 rupees, so I was jumping on my bed. So I was telling it to everyone yesterday. Like, you have to create that. You have to be the Kapil Sharma of your house. Earlier, I was not like that. So you have to make them laugh. वो उनको वो रोने धोने वाला और वो वैसा उनको बच्चा और वैसा उनको मत बनाओ. Because they have their own battles. So society also will be teaching them so many things. But you have to raise your child very happy and confident. What is the best gift to your kids? The best gift that you can give to your kids is a confident, a powerful, a peaceful, a stable, and aligned mother. So you have to be like that.
Yes, ma'am.
They will follow you. They will follow you. They will become confident. They will become powerful. You don't have to make them confident. You don't have to make them powerful. You don't have to make them stable. You don't have to make them aligned. You have to be. They will just observe and they will just become like you. The work is on us. So first we have to be. and they will automatically become. Because what do? We look at the task, but where we have to go to the trait, from where it is coming. बच्चों में जितनी भी आदतें हैं ना, जो भी कुछ है, whatever it is, whether they are eating junk food, whether they are watching a lot of screen, so everything because of us. So we don't have to see the task कि बच्चों में कैसे, like how are they watching a lot of TV, how are they watching a lot of screen, how are they eating junk food, because we are doing all those things. So don't look at the task, look at the trait, from where it is coming. You will get to know what's the reason. So where is the work? The work is on us. Got it, everyone? Batti jali. Right,
Yes,
DJ in the
ma'am.
chat.
I saw you that at your home. When I think there were like a sir's birthday, so you were
Yes.
dancing at sofa and jumping
Yes.
there, and there were like
Yes, did you see?
mother-in-law. I think also
Yes.
there. So your kids and all are like celebrating and laughing and singing songs. I
जोर
was
से बोलो happy
surprised.
birthday. सारे बोलो happy birthday.
Yes.
So we were like having a lot of fun. So my mama was saying, जैसे बोलते हैं ना, सारे बोलो जय माता दी. We were like, सारे बोलो happy birthday. जोर से बोलो happy birthday. ये भी बोले happy birthday. वो भी बोले happy birthday. So we do a lot of fun. So that is our choice. That is my choice. Earlier, my family was
Yes.
not like that 2 years ago.
So just sit
Find out
like,
the ways how we can.
sincere, and there were like always it happened at each and everyone's home that elder ones sit like very sincere and very respectful, and kids
Mhm.
also like they have to also behave like that. So if
Yes.
we change that environment, so they will also evolve, and they would like to celebrate in that moment.
Yes.
That's very nice. I
Yeah.
was feeling very happy that ma'am was jumping. Oh my God.
Because what happens? What
That's
happened that day? Because when you start to evolve, your problems start to dissolve.
is all.
So you
Yes.
need to evolve. Your problems will dissolve. Otherwise, your problems will dissolve you. So
Yes.
what would you like to choose? Right?
Mm,
So you have to evolve yourself.
we have to
Your
choose.
problems will automatically vanish. Right? So this was the same like in-laws house. So I was not allowed to wear the sleeveless or shorts and jeans and like that. Now I have the same in-laws. They themselves are wearing. My mother-in-law also started wearing sleeveless and
Wow, that's
right.
great.
How
So
you
that is
change,
the
ma'am?
change. That is the
Same,
change
Change
because
is like
energy.
same problem here.
Yeah. So you can also create the miracle into your life when you start to evolve with your energy, with your aura, with your frequency, with your vibration. Everything around you will change. So everything is in your hand. What do you want to see in your life? Everything is here. If I ask you, where do you live? Where do you live? You will say, I live in house. No. This is physical thing. This is physical thing. Where do we live? We live here. We have two house. One is this house, physical house. The second house is this. We live here. 100% time we live here. ये वाला घर तो कभी हम छोड़ के बाहर भी चले जाते हैं, but this house we never leave. We always live here. So it's very important to check your energy at all times. Ki what is that frequency I'm vibrating? Because we all are vibrational beings. We all are vibrating at some frequency. It could be positive frequency, it could be negative frequency. So you have to check your energy, you have to check your frequency, what frequency you are vibrating at. Right? So when you wake up to the new day today, before you move, before you do a single thing, say the magic words, thank you. Say thank you for the fact that you are alive. Okay, so where we were. So we were at the end here. If you think a new day isn't such a big deal, then just try missing one. एक दिन मत उठो, मिस कर दो. Okay? I'm dead. मैं टपक गई. सबको बोल दो मैं टपक गई. भाई टपकना वपकना नहीं है किसी को कहीं पे भी. यहीं रहना है फैमिली के साथ. It doesn't matter how sleepy you are or if your alarm has woken you up for work. चाहे आप काम के लिए उठे हो, राइट, चाहे आप कितने भी स्लीपी हो, और यू हैव स्लेप्ट इन ड्यूरिंग द वीकेंड, चाहे वो आपका वीकेंड है, द मोमेंट यू वेक, say the magic words, thank you for another day of your life. The way you don't want to miss a single day, so you don't have to miss gratitude even a single day, right? So say thank you for the good night's sleep you received. Are you fortunate enough to have slept in a bed with sheets and a pillow? We are so blessed. I am so blessed. Can you guys imagine sleeping without the bed sheet? I can't imagine because I cannot sleep without the bed sheet. मुझे नींद ही नहीं आती कि वो एसी ऑन रहता है, फैन ऑन होता है. If I'm wearing that bed sheet ना, I'm feeling like yeah, somebody is there with me. Somebody is there with me. I can't sleep without bed sheet. वो मेरे ऊपर बेड शीट होना चाहिए तभी मुझे नींद आएगी. Thank you. As your feet hit the ground, say thank you. When your feet touch the ground, we have to say thank you. Thank you for the Mother Earth. Thank you for the Mother Earth. Do you have a bathroom? Thank you. Are you able to turn on the taps and immediately receive fresh, clean water every morning? Yes, we have. So thank you. Imagine all the people who dug the trenches and laid the pipes across your country, throughout your city, and along all the streets to your home, so that you can turn a tap and receive beautiful, clean, hot water. Thank you. कैन वी गाइज इमेजिन कैसे वो पूरे पूरे वर्ल्ड में, पूरे यूनिवर्स में, पूरे इंडिया में, पूरे अपने ये शालीमार बाग में, फिर हमारे पूरी स्ट्रीट में, फिर वो पूरे घर में, और वो पूरे नीचे जमीन में, कहाँ कहाँ तक ये पाइप्स पूरे वो बिछे हुए हैं, राइट? एंड हाउ मेनी पीपल आर इन्वॉल्व. As you reach for your toothbrush and toothpaste, thank you. Without them, your day would not begin so pleasantly. Without toothpaste, without toothbrush. Thank you for the towels and soap, the mirror, and everything in the bathroom you use that makes you feel fresh, awake, and ready for the day. Everything. The moment you get down from your bed, we are going to the washroom, the things that we are touching. So we have to be thank you. We have to say thank you. We have to say thank you. We have to be grateful. We have to be grateful. So at least one day, the whole day you have to do it. Although make it a habit, not a big deal, guys. So you might feel ki ma'am, it is not very easy every time. How can we be thankful, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, if you are not being thankful, if you are not being grateful? So otherwise what we are doing, any which way we are being negative, kuch na kuch to every time, like, so that is also habituated. So we are habituated of thinking negative every time. Something to is going on. Better we think positive. Now better we change all our thoughts into gratitude thoughts, thankful thoughts, grateful thoughts, nice thoughts, positive thoughts. We just need to channelize from negativity to positivity. Otherwise, what we are doing? We are thinking any which way negative, the whole day negative, negative, negative. So can't we think positive? उसको बस चेंज ही करना है, नथिंग एल्स, चेंज ही करना है. And that you have to do deliberately, intentionally. Then only you will be able to do it. Initially, it will, once you are habituated. So in this way, you are creating your new neural pathways. Do you know the neural pathway ka concept, NLP? Okay, so whatever we are habituated, so we are living our life accordingly. Okay, so if we start doing in a different way, so that path also will be created. That is called new neural pathway. That will also become new normal. अभी तक नेगेटिव लाइफ जी रहे थे because we were repeating all those things. Repetition is the key to mastery. If we start repeating positive thoughts, positivity, so that will also become new normal one day. Writing A was very difficult one day. Now it's very easy. So whatever it was difficult yesterday, it became easy today. So that will also become easy. So this is just a new way of life. जैसे पहले जी रहे थे वैसे ही जीना है, बस वो थॉट्स को चेंज करना है. as you get dressed, think about how fortunate you are to have clothes to choose from and wear. Thank you. Whenever you are choosing your clothes, so what to wear. So can you guys imagine those poor people, beggars who are sleeping on the roads? They don't have roof, they don't have clothes to wear. And we people are so blessed that we are choosing कि रेड पहनोगे, पिंक पहनोगे, ब्लू पहनोगे, व्हाइट पहनूं या ब्लैक पहनूं या येलो पहनूं. So we are choosing out of so many clothes. So we have to say thank you whenever we are opening the fridge. So many things to eat. We have to choose what to eat, what to make, what to prepare, what to cook. One day, I don't know whether I have told you or not, when I opened my spice box, so many colors of spices. White color ka salt, yellow color ki turmeric, green color ka wo coriander powder, brown color ke cumin seeds, and red color ki chili powder. And I'm like, wow, this is just the way of thinking. So once you become the habituated of being the grateful, na, so everywhere you will see the abundance. Everywhere you will see. आई टोल्ड यू ना, मतलब सामने के ट्री के पत्तों में भी मुझे ऐसे दिखाई देता है अबंडेंस, एक एक लीफ. Think about how many people must have been involved in making all the various items of clothing you put on and wear in one day. One day, हमारा मॉर्निंग का अलग होता है तो नाइट का अलग होता है. वी आर चूजिंग एंड वी आर वियरिंग. कैन वी गाइस इमेजिन कि अपने कपड़े खुद ही सीने पड़ते, खुद ही वो कॉटन उगाना पड़ता कि आज आज मैं अपने बनाए हुए कपड़े खुद पहनूंगी. आज मैं खुद अपनी ड्रेस सिलूंगी तब मैं
बहुत
पहनूंगी.
हेडेक होता है मैम, ये तो रूटीन लाइफ में ही ऐसा हो जाता है, तो वो खुद के कपड़े खुद
या
सिलते तो पता नहीं क्या होता.
यस. आज मैं अपने
थैंक गॉड
बाल
कि
खुद
वहां पे
काटूंगी. आज मैं अपनी
सिलने
थ्रेडिंग
वाले
खुद
हैं.
करूंगी. सो मेनी पीपल, यार किस किस का थैंक यू करें. राइट. सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर. ओ माय गॉड. OMG. सो one day come from many countries across the planet. कॉटन कहीं से आ रही है, स्टिचिंग कहीं से हो रही है. थैंक यू टू एवरीबडी. Do you have shoes? Lucky you. Imagine life without them. Thank you for your shoes. So many pairs we have. शादी के अलग, winters के अलग, summer के अलग. I have always been delighted at the prospect of a new day, a fresh try, one more start, with perhaps a bit of magic waiting somewhere behind the morning. So who has said it? J.B. Priestley. So I'm so delighted for a new day, a fresh try, one new start. So that is a new perspective. So the way we can live the life. Make today as good as it can be by practicing concentrated gratitude and putting the magic into your morning routine. From the moment you open your eyes until you have put your shoes on or finished getting ready, say the magic words thank you in your mind for everything you touch and use. It doesn't matter if you don't shower or get dressed first thing in the morning, you can still use the magic morning practice as a guide and apply it to whatever your morning routine is. If you wake up and eat breakfast first, there are some people those who don't take bath the first thing in the morning. It's okay, perfectly fine. So I also don't take bath the first thing when I wake up in the morning. So I complete my all the house chores and 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock when my maid goes. Okay, after doing all the house chores, then I take bath. So till that time, so whatever you touch, if you are cooking, so let's say husband को भेजना, बच्चों को भेजना, I'm cooking, I'm preparing breakfast, lunch, and I'm packing everything, whatever you are touching. So you can be grateful. जैसे अनियन है, I'm so grateful for the onion, I'm so grateful for tomato, I'm so grateful for like whatever you are cooking and preparing, for paratha, for aloo ka paratha, for mooli ka paratha, whatever you are making. So whatever you are touching, so you can be grateful. Otherwise what you will be thinking, oh my god, उफ ये दर्द, उफ यो दर्द, अब इतना काम करना पड़ेगा. I have to pack lunch, I have to send them, I have to drop them to the school. Like negative, it will be on and on and on and on and on and on. Autopilot. Gotta start. Okay, so it's upon you. Like whether you have to think positive. वो positive को on and on करना है, या negative को on and on. So they make your morning so enjoyable and give you energy for the day. Be grateful for the kitchen appliances you use for the breakfast, the refrigerator, hot plates, oven, toaster, coffee maker, or kettle. So many things are there. right? Every day without exception, I say thank. As I put one foot on the floor, okay, so this is also one of the practices. Every day without exception, I say thank. एक 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 पैर नीचे रखा, thank, और दूसरा पैर रखा, and you, as my other foot touches the floor. So that as both feet touch the floor for the first time each day, I have said thank you. I also do this. It's not like मैंने first रखा, then second रखा, then thank, then you. I always do this whenever I put my feet on the floors. I always say thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you so much for the Mother Earth. As I walk toward my bathroom, I say the magic words thank you in my mind with each step. Then I continue saying thank you in my mind as I touch and use each thing in my bathroom. By the time I'm dressed and ready for the day, I feel so happy. I could jump for joy. And when I feel that happy, I know my gratitude has worked, because you will start feeling happy after doing a lot of gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you for 7 to 10 things. So you will start feeling happy that, wow, beautiful, I'm feeling so happy, I could jump for joy. And when I feel that happy, I know my gratitude has worked. How you will get to know? There are many people, they ask, ma'am, how will I get to know whether my gratitude is working or not? You will start feeling happy. You will see the change into your smile. Your aura will change, your vibration will change. Though I have a magic power within me, because one good thing after another happens. And as each good thing happens, I am even more grateful, which speeds up the magic with even more good things happening. You know, those days when everything just seems to go right for you. Do you remember those days? एक के बाद एक चीज कैसे अच्छी होती जा रही है because of your gratitude practice. Well, that's what it's like after doing magic morning, but multiplied. ये क्यों हुआ? Because it multiplied because of your gratitude practice. Okay, so magic practice number 11, a magic morning. When you wake up to the new day, before you do a single thing, say the magic words, thank you. Because initially, like half an hour is very, very important. 15-20 minutes when you wake up are very important. From the moment you open your eyes until you have finished getting ready, say the magic words, thank you, in your mind and for everything you touch and use. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you. Thank you and thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in your hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day. Got it, everyone? So what you have to do tomorrow when you wake up in the morning, so first you have to sit on the bed and you have to speak out 5 to 10 gratitude statements. Okay, thank you, God. Thank you, universe, to whomsoever you believe in. Okay, so this is the first practice that you have to do, and make it a habit that you have to do it throughout your life. Make it a new normal and make it a new way of your life. जिस भी चीज को टच करते जाओ, से थैंक यू, आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड, आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल, आई एम ट्रूली ग्रेटफुल, आई एम सुपर डुपर ग्रेटफुल कि वाटर है, ये है, वो है, एवरीथिंग. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
Yes,
अंडरस्टूड?
ma'am. I wanted to ask you that uh, if like we are writing for focus gratitude, right? So in one day or within 24 hours, we have to write, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
you told me that I asked you either before like if I'm not getting that particular time, like at a particular time, each and every day I'm writing it, right? So if once of a day, if I will not get time, so if I write within 24 hours, so that would be okay, or like if we change
Akshita, better you fix your time. So that's why we will go with the book only. We will go as per the Rhonda Byrne, the way she is suggesting. Okay, so we will not put our mind into it. So 2 times we have to fix, night and in the morning. So these 2 times are fixed. Because आप रात को करके सो रहे हो और मॉर्निंग में कर रहे हो, तो आपका वो पूरा नाइट का भी पूरा काउंट होगा. Because we sleep, we will be having that thought, we will be so blessed, we will be feeling so grateful. So we'll be so happy उस thought के साथ सोएंगे तो. और सुबह
हाँ,
we will wake up happily and you will see this works. जैसे हम सोते हैं
yes.
वैसे ही हम उठते हैं, वही हमारी एनर्जी होती है, because the whole night it works.
जैसे फिर अभी हमें जैसे आज हमने जो प्रैक्टिस किया वो मॉर्निंग में भी हमें लिखना है या सिर्फ मतलब मगअप करना है कि जैसे हम लोग मॉर्निंग में उठे सो आंखें क्लोज करके हम बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं जो भी मतलब है वो थैंक यू वो करना है या फिर राइटिंग में करना है?
No, when you are writing at night now with me, so that you have to keep
कंटिन्यू
continue
एंड
this
फोकस ग्रेटिट्यूड
with
आई
me,
एम
because we
राइटिंग
are
इन
doing it
नाइट
at
ओनली.
night. We are doing it at night.
एंड फोकस ग्रेटिट्यूड आई एम राइटिंग इन नाइट ओनली.
That you have to do extra. That you have to do extra. वो तो आपको छोड़ना ही नहीं है. ये 10 प्रैक्टिसेस ये तो करनी ही है. जो आपको फोकस प्रैक्टिस आप कर रहे हो वो आपको एक्स्ट्रा करना है. दैट तो यू हैव टू डू ऑन डेली बेसिस फॉर 30 days. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ 10 यू हैव टू राइट 20 ग्रेटिट्यूड. 10 विद मी और फोकस्ड वाला तो यू हैव टू फिक्स अ टाइम. एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम यू हैव टू डू इट. And visualize also, you have to do those things for the focused, for that concentrated gratitude for which you are doing. So
विजुअलाइज मीन्स
you
हमें
have to
विजुअलाइज.
visualize, you have to meditate on that particular thing.
ओके.
Okay, in the morning or make sure you do it in the morning and at night. 2 times तो ये आपको, if you are doing focused or concentrated gratitude, ये 2 times तो you have to do it. Fixed time.
In morning 10 and in night 10 as well.
Yes, yes. Because we have fixed time, no? We to have fixed time, right? Okay, let me